Global Leader Training Center. If you have created images using Midjourney and other image generating AIs, you could have thought, can AIs generate videos? The answer is yes, and this field is rapidly evolving. AI generated videos are an exciting frontier, building on capabilities of image generation to create dynamic, moving visuals. So we're going to get started with Leonardo AI, which is really nice AI video generator. To get started, head to leonardo.ai and you'll be taken to this website. Just click on Get Started or Launch App. I will just press Get Started and then it'll ask you to sign up or log in. So just I will sign in with my account, and when you get in here and you log in and when you sign up, it'll ask you for your username. I will just name my thing GLTC, and then what is your interest? You can choose your interest. I am in art, education, film, TV, and stock images and product design, and just allow them all and then next. And which role describes you? I'm now a professional, so I will do professional and done. And then it'll ask you for the term of services. Just press accept term of services and then you'll be taken here. We'll start by exploring the interface, which is the screen you see here. On the left, you'll see a panel, which is also called as AI tool panel, which you can find lots of useful tools using AI. And below that, there's Advanced tab, which you can find advanced features of Leonardo AI. And below that, there's additional options you can use in Leonardo AI, such as what's new, premium plans, API access. So first of all, we'll check out our plan. Just click on upgrade or premium plans and you'll be taken here. You can choose to pay yearly or monthly. I will just select monthly and I will look at it. It says free, apprentice, artisan unlimited, master unlimited, and Leonardo for teams. So for free, it is 150 fast tokens reset daily. And for appearance, there's 8,500 every month, single month, and 25,000 every month, 60,000 every month. And there's also token bank, which unused tokens will be saved in. And there's also an organizing of collection, which is one collection for free and unlimited for others. There's also real-time generation actions, but only free has limit and other plans are all unlimited. Samely for canvas, and for free and appearances is limited images and videos, but others they aren't. And public generation only for free, but can create private generations for other paid options. And there's also no concurrent jobs, but it increases as you use an expensive plan. There's also queue up 5 generation only, but if you continue there will be 20 generation at a time. You can also browse and use community made AI models for all of them, but paid plans can generate their own training data sets. And you can try enhanced quality for free, but appearance and other options will use as much as they want. And also Leonardo AI free plans can only create videos with watermark, but other plans will generate videos without watermark. And there's also relaxed generation, which consumes 0 tokens, samely as Midjourney relaxed mode. Okay, let's go. I will just use the free plan for now because there's no need to buy. back. And samely as AI toolbar, you can also use the same feature right here. uh, Here's also featured guides and community creations. You're going to start by generating some images. Of course, you can create with Midjourney or other AIs, but this is one of the Leonardo's feature. Just press image creation, and it says getting started. Would you like a quick tour? But if you need a tutorial, you can press let's go. But for me, I'm now explaining what to do, so I'm now going to press no thanks. Finish. Okay. To generate image, there's few different ways of generating image. Your own prompt, random prompt, or improving prompt. So you can just click this type of prompt, and I will just write young boy with dark brown hair and the space. And then I like here, I like this, so I will just press generate, or just you can use random prompt, improve prompt, edit with AI, describe with AI. If I say new random prompt, it will take a few seconds to generate a new prompt better than yours. But if you want this to be more improved, just I'll go back to I'll just delete here, and then just click on this, and then improve your prompt. And this will take another few seconds to improve your prompt. Nice. But if you want this to edit with AI, you can press this, and you can edit prompt with AI by typing what you want to change. I want no tentacle. Press done. And this will automatically delete everything about tentacle. And just I will press generate. It will directly generate 4 images, samely as Midjourney. Okay, nice. I've got some sea creature glazed in with scales. Oh, very nice. I love it. So I will just leave it as this. And then, if you find the one you like, you can just press download. Or if you want this to be bigger, you can just press upscale, unzoom image. This will cost 5 token. There's also generate motion video directly right here, or remove background, Archimesty upscaler, or you can add it in canvas, or you can just delete image. This is the generation history, so every generation you make will be lived here. In the left panel, you can select the presets, Phoenix, Anime, or other cinematic keynote or other nice tools, or you can just press prompt enhance, which will automatically enhance prompt or on or off, or preset style, which will change the preset of your image. So if I say 3D render, it will make it as 3D. If I use illustration, it will make it as illustration. And contrast setting, which will change the contrast of the image, the light of the image. And there's also generation mode, fast and quality, but quality is only for premium picture, but it will more focus on quality of the image, not the speed. And there's also image dimension, which will change the aspect ratio, which is samely as the Midjourney scale, like dash dash AR 16 ratio 9. And you can also change between image size, small, medium, and large. There's also number of image to generate, but this is also premium feature. Only 4 is available for you, and there's also until 8. There's also private mode, which will hide your image from other people, and this Leonardo AI, but this is also for premium feature. If you select on advanced settings, you'll see that there's also model Leonardo Phoenix. If you change this preset to anime, there'll be more anime models for you. I will just use Phoenix because this is the best right now. And there's also photo reel, which will make your photo more realistic. negative prompt, which you can write your negative prompt to exclude something from the image. There's also transparency, but this is also not supported on current settings, so you have to change the setting to in order to change this. Transparency will control how transparent the image is. Tiling, which will make the pattern continuous, and so if you use it as a background, it's a nice idea to do. There's also use fixed seed, so every single image has its own seed. If you use the seed, which will make it more random or more focused on some image style you want. And now I'll just move to a motion. You can directly use generate motion video. I will try this motion video first. Click on it, and it'll use it as a source image, or you can replace it if you want, or you can just press select from recent images to select. There's also motion strength, which controls how strong the motion will be. If you increase it to 10, it will be more moving and more like more realistic, but it might have some error with like uncomfortable thing. If you use it as 5, it will be just normal. So let's generate, it will take only 25 tokens. And let's go to view generation. And now it's generated, and you'll see the image is really nice. It is moving now, and if you want to save this to some file in Leonardo, just press organize, and you can make a new collection, gltc, and then press gltc to save. And now it is saved on gltc. If you want to download this, just press mp4, which is downloading, and I will just check how it's downloaded. It seems pretty nice, so I will just press X, and let's create it another way. Go out by using this back button, and then press motion. Got it. And then you can select source image directly here, but this will only allow the image from the Leonardo AI. You cannot import any other images from your computer. Let me go to community feed and check for some image I want. Let me see. I love this. Click on it, press confirm, and the motion strength I want this time, I want it as 10. Generate, don't show again, and close. View generation. And you'll see that the video has generated, and I like it, so I will just save it, and I will just organize it into the gltc folder. I really love it. Go to real-time canvas, which is really nice feature. Just let me bring real-time canvas, and then if you draw something here, you'll be able to draw anything you want. So if I type a prompt like orange haired boy, and you'll see that the image generated. You can change the color by pressing this little color panel. Like this. You'll see that I only did some thing like this, and it's right now generating pretty nice result. And if I change this to orange haired girl, you'll see that it's orange haired girl. And if you don't want this, you can press erase, which will erase the like this. You can erase, and let me change it to something like dolphin, and then let me change this again into some bluish color, paint tool and then draw this dolphin. Like this, you see it's really nice. And if you want something more detailed, you can just see this brush size, which will change the size of the brush. You can drag this bar or type this size. I will just use it as 130 and try to draw it. Like this, pretty nice. And you can just press on this little setting thing to see the fixed seed, which is the thing I explained before. The seed is the every image has its own seed. So if you change this seed to something like 1, you'll see that it's fixed in the style of the seed 1, seed 10, seed 1000, seed 1013. It will be changed every time. And guidance, which will change the how the AI generated image will follow the drawing you have. If I generate it to like 4, it will be more creative. If it's 0, it will not really follow it. So I will just leave it as 2. I think this much is enough. And there's also creative strength, which is similar to the guidance, which you control the strength of the creativity. If it's 0, you directly follow this. If it's 9, 0.9, it will be more creative. And if you want to move this, you can just use select, which will select this, and then you can drag it down to some location you want. Nice. And if I want this to be out, something like this, you can change it. There's also generate, which is able to generate some image right now. Enter prompt, I will just say shark, and then done. And then I will just move this back by pressing this send to front or send to back, or move forward or move backward. If you want it directly back, I will just press send to back. And now then, like this, and then I will select the image, this, and I will just adjust the creativity strength. It seems pretty cute. And then let me just bring another image I've generated by pressing add image. You can bring it from other people, community feed. Let me just see for some nice, cool and cute looking image. I like this turtle. I'll just bring it, and I've just erased everything to let you use some nice feature. So if I want some, I will just generate some image. Shark chasing by. Like this, and then I will also change this into shark chasing dolphin. It seems really cute, but I want to use this image. To do this, you can just press auto input. Then you'll be able to take this image. So I will just adjust the creativity strength, and here I will have another element, which is also the model. So anime style, cinematic style, concept art, sketch, none. So it is really nice feature, so you can just change this. And then I want to erase here, and then just draw some dolphin here, like this. I hope this works. Yes, like this. And then I'll put the input again, and then just another dolphin here, larger dolphin. Okay, output to input, and I'll fill the background with some red color like this. Okay, really nice. And then I will just add some more pinkish color here. Like this. And I'll just use output to input again. It seems pretty nice. And if you want this, you can just upscale the image or instant refine. If you press instant refine, it will directly refine the image you have generated. You will see that it has been more qualitated. If you upscale the image, it will be more larger scale. And if you just press interactive, you will see interactive mode and real-time mode, which is also different. Interactive mode will directly generate as you finish drawing, and real-time mode will generate the image same time as you're drawing. And then I will just download this, and you'll see this image is pretty nice. I think I can use it as my album cover. Let's exit the editor and let's go to canvas editor, which is also some similar thing like Playground AI, and you can move it between a mouse wheel up and down, alt mouse wheel left and right, and control wheel to zoom. And there's also some tools right here. Pan, which is make you able to move. Select, which is able let you select some objects. Draw mask, which you draw the mask. Erase, sketch, text, and upload. Let me try by generating an image. So dark-haired girl wearing pajama, and then generate. It will directly generate you some image. Okay, I don't like it, so you can just navigate between here. I think this one is the best, and accept. Okay, pretty nice. And then you can also simply here change the model, and you can also change input and output like text to image, image to image, image to image, like samely as canvas editor, and sketch to image. Just I think I want to use text to image. Let's go. And then I will just drag this slide here. Red haired boy sitting. And then I will change the fine-tuned model, like number of images you can change it, photoreal, and the alchemy. I want this to be like 360, like this size. And then you can adjust the size using this width and height, with like this, height like this. Okay, nice. And I will just say generate. It will take more token as it gets bigger. Okay, nice. I love it. Accept. And pretty nice. We'll stop here for the editor, and let's go to real-time generation. So this real-time generation lets you generate the image you want in the same time as you write the prompt. So if I write boy, it generates a boy. Boy wearing Spider-Man like this. And then if I don't want this, like girl and boy and the bitch, younger. Okay, it's not the image I want, so I will just change it to girl and man. Okay, nice. And you can change the element right here, adjust the element. Like kids illustration, I want to increase this. It'll be more like kids illustration. If I use tunes and anime, it'll be more anime style. If I use fork art illustration, it'll be more fork art style. If I want coloring book, it'll be like coloring book. So you can use this in various types of image generation. If I decrease kids illustration, it'll be more realistic. Tunes and anime, if I increase this, yes, it'll be more. Folk art, I want this. Coloring book to 0. Negative. This is really weird a bit. I guess I want to increase some kids illustration. Okay, this is not bad. And if you want this to generate, you can just press creative upscaler to upscale the image. Just let's go to first personal feed, and you'll see that it's pretty nice image has been generated. And if you want to download, press download. And let's go to this upscaler, which lets you upscale the image you want. So add an image from community feed, I guess. I will just use this. This image, confirm. And I will just say upgrade. Or you can just change the upscaler style to the art illustration. I want this. And then there's also the scale you want, but I will just leave it as it is. And prompt guidance, this is also optional, you can use it as you want, but I want creative strength to be 7. And then I will just press. I'm now in free plan, so I cannot do it, but if you buy some other plans, you can do it. So there's also an AI video generator from China, and this is called Kling AI. To get started, go to www.klingai.com and you'll be taken to this website. Here you see videos and images that people have generated. You can just hover over it to watch the video. You'll see that it's pretty nice. This is all generated by AI and it's really smooth and clean. So first of all, we'll start by signing in with your email. So sign up and then enter your email address. We have logged in to Kling AI. So first of all, we'll go to subscription. Just click on this and you'll see a few different subscriptions right here. So there's actually 4 different subscription right now, and we'll see one by one. So first of all, we're going to look at the payment method. There's 1 month, which pays every month, single month, and monthly saver, which gives us discount, a yearly saver, which gives also a discount from the yearly. So we're going to go to 1 month first of all, and then we're going to look at it. So free plan, which is the plan we are using right now, this is normally applied to new users without payment. You can every day when user logs in, it gives 66 free credits. So every single day you'll get free credit when you log in. When we go to standard plan, which is $10 per month, it gives us 660 credit per month, and it also gives us 66 free credits every day when we log in. And it also has an opportunity to remove watermarks, which is with the Kling AI when you generate image or video. And you can also generate professional mode videos, which has better movement and more detailed, high quality, and high clarity. You can even extend the video length in up to 3 minutes by pressing extend button, and it has also advanced camera control which lets you control the camera the way you want. The quality enhancement of images: when you get an image from the Kling AI's image generator, you can just press enhance to get the enhanced quality. There's also a pro plan which is $37 per month. It gives us 3,000 credits per month, and there's also 66 free credits every day when you log in. You can also remove watermarks, generate professional mode videos. It's all same as this standard plan except priority access to new features. This priority access to new features is really important for who are looking forward to the AI's future. You can just try these new AI features by using this. The premier plan is also same, but the all the features are same, but the amount of credit is different. It's 8,000 credit per month, and it's $92 per month. There is a code redeem which you can get from your gift code, but we're going to just cancel it because I don't know it right now, and I will use the free plan right now. So first of all, we're going to look at AI image generation. Click on this, and it'll ask you for the prompt. So the prompt is here, and even I will just write some Japanese noodle in the restaurant, and then I will just leave the reference image, and I will just create it right now without any other settings, and it will directly generate you 4 different images you can see. It only costs 0.8 credits, so you can generate image as much as you want every single day. And it looks really nice. It's really clean and very nice. Okay, and when you have generated image, you can press this thumbs up button to like it and say give feedbacks about it. It's excellent cinematic, excellent image quality, high artistic, and submit. Or if you don't like it, you can press this thumbs down button to give the feedback, what to change and how to improve. Okay, there's also a star button which is favorite. You can just press this to favorite your image, and you can find it from favorite panel. You can even download this image by pressing this, but it gives you a watermark which you can remove from membership plan. I will check it, and it seems pretty nice, and the Kling AI logo will be right here, but it doesn't matter. I seem it's great, it's pretty. Now let's go to some other settings. So I'm going to bring this reference image. You can just click and drop down, or you can find it from assets, the image you have generated. I will go to upload, drop, and then I will bring my download, the Japanese noodle that I just made. And you'll see this Japanese reference image, and you can just change the reference strength, how strong this image will affect the other image generating. So it will be like this much for me. And the settings, from now I will change the aspect ratio, which is the settings right here. I think 16:9 looks really good. This is in the YouTube like this. And then number of images, I want this to be this time 8. And then I'll just Japanese noodle in restaurant, American woman eating Japanese noodle with chopsticks in the restaurant. Okay, I will generate it, and it'll take just another few seconds. It's really fast. The Kling AI is really nice and fast, so you can use it just in few seconds. You can generate a new image. And the image have been generated, but I don't really like this baby because the prompt was being too different. And I will just decrease the reference strength. American woman eating Japanese noodle, red Japanese noodle, and then I will try to generate a game, but this time with 4 images. Let me try it, and I hope this time the image comes right. And here we go, we've got some few tricky images, but I think this one is the best. It looks pretty nice. Okay, and if you want to use this to create some more image, you can just hover over it and you will see that as reference. You can press this button to change the reference image, and you can just increase this and then change the prompt. And if you want to make this move right here, you can just press bring to life. And then when you press this, you will taken to this Kling AI bring to life session, which is image to video. But first of all, we're going back to Kling AI website, and to directly go to AI video generator here, you can just press this AI videos. And there's two types of generating video: text to video and image to video. First of all, we're going to get started with text to video. I will just copy this prompt here and paste the prompt. American woman eating red colored Japanese noodle with chopsticks in restaurant. Creativity will control how creative the image will be, so it'll be more movement and like that. So I think creativity is really important, so I will just change it to 0.3, mode to standard and professional mode. But now standard is only available because professional mode has a premium plan. Length, which is also available for 5 seconds right now, because 10 seconds is not for standard mode, it have to be professional mode. Aspect ratio, you can change it 69, 9 ratio 16, 1 ratio 1, but I think I will just use 16 ratio 9. And then there's also camera movement, which you can control how the camera will move. I think the camera movement will be like pan, no pan, maybe horizontal. I want it to move from this screen to this much. Okay, I guess this much is enough. And negative prompt, you can write the negative prompt which to exclude. I want weird hands, 6 fingers, man, cars, and I also don't want windows. And this much is enough, I guess, so I will just press generate. It'll take another few seconds or minutes. It'll say your creation is brewing. Enjoy a coffee break while we finalize it. So wait until this is finished and we'll be back. And now my video has been well generated with a woman eating a red colored noodle, and it is moving from left to right. It seems pretty nice. If you like this, you can press this thumbs up, thumbs down, or if you want to save it, you can download. And if you want to favorite it, you can press this. It has also delete and report if there's some exclusive contents with it. So I love this and I really want to generate some video with the image I have. So let's go to image to video. Click on it and you'll see that there's click and drop and paste. Press this to drop your own image. I have the image I have generated from Midjourney, and this will be man sitting on the hill. I think this much is enough. And then if you like it and you want to change something, this time I will do rebalance, a more rebalanced, and then press generate to generate the image. This is the Jesus in front with his disciples in front of the crowds. And you have to wait again until this finishes. Now it became 99%, and while generating I will just add another image, generate another image. Like, first of all I will add a car image, and then I will just check this, turn on this add end frame, which will add an end frame, which means from this image it will be transferred to smooth transfer to this image. So it will be car drifting, dynamic, gas smoke coming up, race. And then I will just this time I will just delete this man cars because it'll be then weird. Accident, and then car crash. Then I will generate. It'll take another few seconds to generate. I will just wait for it to all to be done. And I've got the result of the disciples and the Jesus, and this seems pretty nice, but with some little glitches at a crowd because there's too much, and the resolution doesn't seem right because I'm not using premium plans. But if you use premium plans, it'll be like twice better than this. Okay, this seems pretty nice, so I will leave it. You'll see the crowd is moving and people, the disciples are sitting and moving their head watching the crowds. Oh, I love it. And let me go to the next one, and this one is still in generation. And also there's few errors that appears right now as many people come to generate video with this AI. There's too many traffics, and the AI might be slower or can be like me. Process failed. This appeared to me now third time, and this is because there's too many people using it. AI is keep making my job later and later, and it's finished. Still process failed. For this error is now only appearing in image to image, but it might work when you try it because it depends on the person. So this was today's video, and enjoy your day.